Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite someone to your SmartThings home app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and share your appliances with someone so they have access to it. How do you actually go ahead and invite someone to your SmartThings home app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the plus icon on the upper right-hand corner. Next, click on Invite Member. And then from here, if you're with the person, you can have them scan your QR code, or if they have a Samsung account, you can send them an invitation, or if you don't know if they have a Samsung account at all, you could actually share a link with them. So between these three options, you'll be able to invite someone to your SmartThings home app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and invite someone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.